check out today. Early check out tayo. And lalabas na tayo para maghabilin ng ating gamit dun sa susunod nating accommodation. Then, ang next is mag-breakfast before going sa meet-up location for island tour. So, yun ang ating ganap for today. Technically, this will be our last whole day. As in whole day here in Port Berthold. Hi! So, dito na tayo sa 1-2. Mag-aala lang tayo. Mag-iiwan ng gamit. Sige, dyan na lang tayo mag-breakfast. Sige, Andy. Iwan mo na lang muna. 1-2 Berthold. Dito tayo mag-check-in later. May sarili lang din sila mga activities actually. Pero hindi kami dito nag-book kay Kuya Joey. Na kami nag-book. And sa wakas, yung nirurot naming Milano Cafe na ilang araw nang sarado. Bukas ngayon. So dito tayo mag-breakfast. Milano Cafe. Open ba? As of the moment, full pack ang Milano Cafe. Kilala talaga to. Kasi ilang araw na rin sarado. So, nagkikreate talaga kami ng coffee nila. Masarap kasi ang coffee dito, lalo ng pastries din. Although, coffee lang yun na take away namin kasi matagal pa magagawa ang sandwich kasi ang daming tao talaga. Quality coffee here and pastries. After buying coffee, try natin dito sa La Santa. Malapit sa pizzeria, Napoli. So here, try natin kanilang breakfast. Our food. Actually, wala itong bacon. Nilagyan lang namin. Yan lang yan. Straightforward na may cheese sa La Santa Port Berthold is basically a western food. So, yan siya. Medyo pricey pero quality naman. Kasi yung sa asawa ko ay bacon egg. Tapos isang slice lang ng half slice ng ciabatta. 320. Same with mine. Simple lang siya, pero pricey. Though may quality naman. Yung ciabatta bread, love na love namin. Kasi yung pagkakatoast niya, perfect. And the bacon, quality bacon. Mamadali na kami kasi 8:40 ang call time. And it's 8 o'clock already. See you guys later. This is it. La Santa. Chill lang din. Pati yung background music. And we're done eating. Ang ating bill ay 640. Wala. La Santa. And they said La Santa means anong sa ano? Meaning ng La Santa?
I think it's Saint. La Santa.
Saint. Kala ko sing. Okay, Saint. That's it. So we're going to
Spanish ano yun?
The port.
Hindi
Spanish.
siya Italian.
Nakalagay naman doon Spanish breakfast. Spanish resto. Sunny. Sobra init.
Sunny.
Sunny. Samantalang kahapon, gloomy. Dito na tayo sa parts. Ito yung iconic na kubo. Parang ano to eh. Coast Guard, ganun. Oo, para tambayan yan ng mga bantay or tanod o ano man. So dito tayo, hanapin natin si Kuya Joey. Yun ang ating kinuha. Island hopping ni Kuya Joey. Worth 1.5 each. The weather is giving.
Kahit yun, may mga dalawang food. Baka dito na nga siya.
No? I don't know. Hindi eh. Luto na siguro.
Hindi mo restaurant yun. Baka ito na yun.
Kaya wait lang. Ito yung usually tours nila. Tour A, Tour B. Ayan. Tapos yung lantern nila. Yung Bato na Ningning, Bigaho, Long Beach, Giligan Beach, and White Beach. Sa Tour A, Twin Reef, Paradise Island, Fantastic Reef, Exotic, Turtle Spot, and Sandbar. Sa Tour B, Sandbar, Turtle Sanctuary, Wide Reef, Kapsalay, Giligan, and Lagoon Reef. Actually, ang ano nito ay regular pricing talaga ay 1.5 per pax. Iisa lang. Yan ang ports. Pumuna tayo di. Hanap muna tayo. Baka maano yun doon sa ilalim ng puno. Wala pa naman. Think ko mga 9 o'clock pa yan. Waiting. 8:40 ang meet up pero nandito kami around 8:20. So wala pang masyado. Siguro mapaaga kami. Wala pang masyadong turista. Wala pa kami masyadong nakikita. Although marami ng bangkang naka-park. Maybe before 9.
Mag-ano ngayon. Ang dami yun. No?
I don't know if ano to or tambayan lang.
Hindi. Mga ano yun.
Pwedeng ang kalma ng
Hindi naman
dagat.
sila nakadaong dyan pag ano eh. Pag yung...
Ma'am, yes. Tutol kayo ngayon, sir?
Pa?
Magtutol kayo ngayon?
Apa.
Ayun na po.
Kay Kuya Joey. Ayan po yun.
Ayun pala.
Asan?
Maliit lang. Ayun yung Joey.
Oh,
Yung Carbic.
Carbic. Tayo na tayo ng bangka ni Kuya Joey. And we are 12. Guys, tayo lang alien dito. Kami lang ang ano. Kami lang ang Filipino. Lahat foreigners. We are 12 passengers. At yan si Kuya Joey.
Rocky Joey. Rocky Joey.
So today we'll have 6 stops. That includes 2 islands, 2 snorkel spot, Starfish Island in the turtle spot. So first stop will be the Starfish Island. We can just like walk around the sandbar. See the starfish. Just a reminder, you're not allowed to touch the starfish. And for now, sandbar is a bit small because it's high tide. So, but you know, there's still sandbar, so it still counts. So we'll stay there for like 30 minutes. Then after that, we're going to do some snorkeling. We're going straight to the turtle spot. It's like now we're having like, problems looking for the turtles. Actually, yesterday we didn't saw any turtles. We don't know. Maybe it's the weather. You know, because the current it's a bit strong right now.
So every day there are a lot of turtles, you said, right?
No, it's that
You need to sell it.
yeah, it's not 100% that you can see it every day. You know, it's wild. But you know, I hope we can still so it. But just don't expect too much. And so after turtle spot, we're going to stop in the island to prepare your lunch. So we'll stay there for like 2 hours. Then after lunch, we're going to do some snorkeling in Fantastic Reef and Twin Reef. That's one of the best snorkeling spots here in Port Barton. And while doing snorkeling, you're not allowed to stand or step on the corals. It's really forbidden. Just don't touch anything. And if you don't have snorkeling mask, we have a snorkeling mask. It's free to use, but take care of it. If you lost it, you will pay for it with your life. So, no. So after Twin Reef, last stop will be the Kapsalay Island, where you can just like walk around the island, have a siesta before going back to here from Barton. So it's total of 6. So if you have questions, just keep it to yourself.
Finally, our island tour is starting. We're going to go. First stop yata ay sa Sandbar. Ganda ng nature, no? Ganda ng dagat. Buti hindi maalan. Dito na tayo sa Sandbar. So, magsalit lang siya. Less than 10 minutes, mga 7 minutes ganun. Although maikli lang siya as of now kasi medyo high tide. So, Sandbar. Baba na tayo. Sandbar. So, 30 minutes lang tayo magstay here. Wait lang, di. Tingnan nyo naman, gaano ka-clear. Oh, ganda, promise. Although mabato pa ng konti, pero dito sa banda rito, fine na. Grabe, ang lawak pa nito actually. Medyo lubog lang pa sa tubig kasi high tide pa. Ganda, promise.
Island.
Ay, Sandbar. Gano'ng kalinaw, oh. Oh, diba? Shucks. Sayang, wala tayong drone. Mas maganda to pag makita mo yung on top view. Bird's eye view. Mas maganda siya makikita. Yan. Guys, kami lang ang turista dito. Alien kami. Feels like,
Welcome to you.
welcome to Europe. Kami lang ang Pilipino. Yung feeling na ikaw ang alien. Alienated ka sa sarili mong bansa. Kasi mga kasama, puro foreigners. Ayan. Lakad pa tayo. Wow. Ganda talaga. Grabe kalinaw. Si Kuya nag-snorkeling na. Nag-snorkeling na dun sa portion na yan. Look at the view. Wala kami makitang starfish. Enjoy mo muna namin ang Sandbar. Tapos na tayo here, going to our next stop. Kahit 30 minutes na enjoy din naman namin ang Sandbar. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa snorkeling area. Ilang minutes lang naman. Pero maalon. Pero tingnan nyo yung dagat. Lina. Maalon lang papunta dito. Grabe. Let's see kung makakapag-snorkeling tayo. Snorkeling area na named Twin Reef. So, ito yung Twin Reef. Hiram tayo ng snorkeling gear para makapag-try tayo. Yes! Yan, kita ko na. Dami. Naubos na yung bread mo? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yes. Bigay ko sa'yo ano, na makapag ano ka. Ganda, me. Sharks. Nasa iyo lahat. Mamaya sharks na yung pupunta sa'yo. Joke. Yes. At the moment, medyo struggle lang, medyo maalon. Tapos na tayo here sa Twin Reef. Going to our next stop. Na-enjoy din naman natin ang ano, snorkeling. Yes. So, for ito yung pinakamahabang boat na ito. And maalon. Siguro dito ako makain. Baka dito na tayo magla-lunch.
Lalim pa din.
We'll serve you lunch here. So while we preparing the lunch, you can just around this island. This was water.
Anong pangalan?
So
Exotic island.
you can try to like do snorkeling here. Except for the best. Like the other people say that they didn't so, maybe we'll get lucky.
Exotic Island. Ganda ng dagat. Blue na blue. So, dito tayo magla-lunch in an hour. Wait pa tayo. Pero more or less siguro mga 2 hours tayo mag-stay here. So, habang waiting, mag-swim-swim muna kami. Ay, nice, diba? Medyo mabato lang ng konti here sa portion na to.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
Balik muna tayo dun sa may bangka. Baka nagtatabag na sila. Baka kakain na. So, nakapagpa-picture-picture na naman kami here. And the view is so giving. Grabe. Tingnan nyo naman yung dagat, diba? So, here sa Exotic Island, may mga mini cottages naman to stay. Pero marami dito ay, yan, nagsa-sunbathing. Again, halos 5% lang yata kaming Filipino. Mostly Puro Westerners. So, dito na pala. Dito kami. So, mag-chill muna. Pero may aso dito. Pa-stay here. Chilling muna. At the moment. Hoping makakaspot tayo ng turtle today. Mailap kasi si turtle daw as of the moment. Wala pa tayo na spot. Ano? Malalim? Pero meron. Meron.
Sabi ni Kuya, meron daw. Nandiyan na daw yung pawikan. Siguro ay wala siguro. Kaya siguro binibinod ka na iba.
Makarent pati. Maalon.
Tayo na, makaran.
Baka mamaya makaspat tayo. Rest time muna. Gugutom na ako. Ikaw? Oo, gugutom na ako.
Ipe-prepare ko sila. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila nila ipe-prepare.
Usually dito yan. May ano yan yung sa table siguro. Ganda ng weather today.
Tuwang-tuwa ang mga ano.
Oo. Tayo ay alienated here.
Ano nga, Europe. Wala, halos ano, walang Pilipino.
Wala, tayo lang. Pero syempre sa mga bankero, pero sa turista.
Wala akong nakita mga ano.
Merong sigurong isa, wife or couple, pero foreigner pa rin yung kasama. Ang cute ng bata, oh. Nakaglulublob. Nakabata. Bear talaga yung bata, oh. Walang saplot. Walang takot sa init, oh. Talan tayo dito nakakubli.
Hindi pa nagpuso nga yung next yun.
And it's lunchtime. It's time to eat. Eat and eat and eat. Hi muna kami. Okay, wait lang. Bababa ako. This is our food. Wow. Oh, look at that. Galing naman ng artwork. Nice, diba? Oh. Sa next destination, and luckily nakakita tayo ng isang turtle.
Picture pa na yun. Yung si Kuya o nasa ilalim.
Ay, ang pangit.
Oo, galing yung Kuya.
And next stop. At least, diba, nakakita pa tayo ng isang turtle at the last minute. Next stop, fantastic snorkeling area. So, mag-snorkeling again. Second to the last yata ito, na stop natin. at medyo malabo nga yung tubig nila. Hindi masyado maligo. Tapos na tayo here. Alis na tayo. Punta na tayo sa last stop. So, yun na yung magiging last stop ng ating tour for today. Kapsalay Island. Tama ba? Kapsalay?
Kapsalay.
Kapsalay Island. So, this is our last stop. Last stop. So, medyo medyo kasi lang kami here for 15 minutes. Medyo masigid.
Stepin ka.
Kapsalay, ang problema here, sa totoo lang, ang daming jellyfish! Ang lalaki. Matatakot kang lumublob. Tapos ma-weeds pa. So, hindi namin ma-enjoy ang dagat, promise. Kasi ang lalaki talaga. May maliit, may malaki. Oh. Kaya nga, huwag ka nga dinikit-dikit, di. Ako natatakot para sa'yo. Jelly. Paano ka mag-ini? Hindi ka makakapag-snorkeling dito. Di sa lugar na to. Nandito lahat. Maybe kasi malumanay dito. Ang alon. Ang init. Shucks. So for us, mas okay sa Maxima. Although 50 minutes meron lang tayo dito. So lakad-lakad lang. Mahirap anhin ng dagat. Madali pa ng jellyfish, mahirap na. So, tambay lang kami. Tambay-tambay lang.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way through the celestial symphony.
So, paalis na tayo dito sa Kapsalay Island. Kapsalay Island. Actually, wala. Tumambay lang kami here. Hindi kami makapag-swimming at ma-seaweeds at madikya. Ma-jellyfish. So, okay lang. Nag-sight viewing na lang at nag-rest time. So, we're going back to the Port Barton.
Bumalik ko.
So, tapos na ang ating tour at 3:30. So, ang aga dito. So, ang next agenda is to check-in. Punta na tayo sa ating accommodation. Tapos, mag-freshen up, mag-shower, and punta tayo sa Barton Bistro. So, lakad muna tayo.